Okay, you see a pendant. It's a custom special order from the client. It's a bezel settings type capuchon oval gemstone. Okay, I do the gemstone, so because custom design, and how I make it the bezel, even the bail separated two parts, even the gemstone capuchon oval I make it how I draw it custom system. Okay, so you will see from the inside the chair bar, the hidden bar and separated part everything by if watch the video tutorial video, you can check uh, in my descriptions, locals or Patreon. Okay, you can check.